And welcome to the final part of this tutorial. So let's start now. How much paid per month? So that means we copy. Let's copy one of these and just change it around. Let's move this back. So that will be monthly payment. Payment per month. Payment per month. Per month. Maybe we should see. Let's see if we can put it in pound sign. If not, we just let go of that. Let's see. Yeah, that's undo that. It's an error there somewhere. Okay, we'll just put that here. Okay, that's the payment of that. Or this one. This one should be this monthly payment. Put that here. That might be wrong. Alright. Okay then. Let's compile it and check it out again before I finalize it and run it. Okay, I think this one, since this one is going to be the numbers of months, so I'll change it to number of month for payment. I don't know. Yeah, number of month of payments. So that will be about 12 months, 24 months, 36 months. Okay. So let's come in here and just enter pound sign into all of that space. That pound sign space. It's just a shortcut. You can always format it to give you maybe 2 decimal place or whatever you want. Alright, I'll just format it something like this. Let's see, maybe if I want to, supposing I decide to go for something like that, let's try it out in here. If it doesn't work, we just now undo that. So that means I have to do it all over. I just forget it, leave it that way. But this is how to format to pound sign anyway, except if I have to do it all over. Okay, now, alright, let's just run it and see. I'm almost done now though, so let's just give it a try. We enter some, let's say we want to go for about that, and that's a huge amount, maybe 48. Oh, rate is maybe 9, and let's go for 48 months, and right here click on that. Right, and this, you guys can always format this to 2 decimal place. And here, let me just add the name. We can always enter the name of whoever is taking the loan, so address and so on. You can do that yourself if you want. So that would be, let's get the name of that anyway. Let's get that of the name. Maybe enter that here. Yeah, that's called what? Oh, it's TXT. Let's say TXT name. Alright, copy that and just now come in right here. and you can repeat the same thing for the others if you want. So let's get the name dot, maybe declare a variable for it. Let's comment that out and declare a variable for name up here. Let's call this string name there, and come right down here. Where is it now? We just need to say name equals string format. Okay, that is the name is now assigned in here. So now I want to add the name to the receipt. Okay, that's the name. So let's come down. You can repeat the same thing for the rest anyway. So let's just, I'm gonna copy this. Now come down in here, paste that there, and just enter customer's name there. Customer's name, and here will become name there. Okay, that's fine. So okay, so we now have that of name. So if you want, you can always complete the rest yourself. Let me just show you guys the rest of the codes there. That's the codes. Let's take it up. Right up here, those are the variables used. You can see it is right underneath public class, and you make sure you import this for the message or for the message box, and all of the codes, all of the codes actually took place in that very button, this very button there. Okay, back there, and these are all of the codes. If you take it down here, I just have a break for each of the text box. So the first text box, alright, take it down. The second one for the interest, the third one for the number of payment, and here, just from here down here, that is where the calculation for payment and so on took place. And here, that's just to get your name, the customer's name, and down here, if you take it down, that's where the receipt is generated. Okay, and maybe we can even have an account. If you want, you can add account for the customer, or you can do that yourself, right? So the account type for the customer, or maybe we should just do that. Let's do that. There's no point being lazy. Let's come here, account type. We can just copy that and just change this to account type. Account type. So I'll come right here. So that's going to be a string value as well. I'll paste that in there. Equals, we need the name. I need the name of the account. Let's go back, get the name, account type. That's it. Let's come in here. Alright, let's just change it to txt account. Right, copy, come right in there. And take this down and look for it. Yes, right here, account type. Just paste it right there. There. That's the account type. And you can always, or we can always add that here as well. copy that and just paste it maybe underneath, or let's say we copy this and just, yeah, why not, let's do it this way. Account, that'll be account type equals account right here. Okay, so all of those information will appear on the receipt. So if I compile, run, there we enter the name there, let's say is Peter Parker, and address maybe Kingsland Road. Account type, let's say savings account. Alright, any withdraw? No. Deposit? No. Overdraft? No. All of these other information are not on the receipt anyway. Loan, let's say it's going for maybe 80-something thousand pounds, and rates, let's say is at the rate of 11%, and you intend to pay it off in 48 months. So just click there. So we get the account type. We need to take this off as well. Account type and so on. There are all of the informations are there. But let's get rid of this pound sign from the name and account type. Let's go back to the code. Pound sign, get rid of that. That shouldn't be there. Account type, get rid of the pound sign. And that should fix it. Save, compile, run again. Alright, enter the information again. So let's call that Helen Moore, and address is let me say Johnson Road. Account type, let's go for current account, and withdraw, no. Deposit, down, it's just there for the loan, no. And here let's go for maybe 20,000, and rate 9%, 48 months. So check out the receipts. Alright, account type, name, account type, there should be spacing there anyway. Okay, let's get that sorted again. Space in here. Okay, I think I must have taken care of it now. So let's just try it out again. Let's run it. Enter the name right there. The name, let's say Goodman South, and address North West Road. Account type, current account. That should be current. And withdraw to be made? No. Deposit? No. Overdraft required? No. And right here, maybe it's going for mortgage, and the rate at, let's say 25, maybe too much, 15. 1 month, let's go for about 60 months. Compute there. So see Mr. Goodman South, current account, alright, amount, everything, all of the information required is in there, and it's paying about this every month. That's high. Okay, right here that seems to be too high. We need to format that, or you guys can take care of that yourself. So here are the lines of code. Those are all my variables right there. There, you need those, and take it down, and inside this button right here, right click, event, action performed. That's where all of the calculations takes place. Okay, bring it down. Alright, and there, that's all there is to it. And here I have the clear buttons. So for the clear buttons, maybe we just need to add a couple more. Account, we need to add the account. So I'll just add those and get back to you. Okay, right here, those are the clear functions. And right here, this one that always generates long decimals. So let's run it and let me show you what I'm talking about, and we can just take care of that, get that out of the way as well right here. So, and that's the rates, and in here we have let's say 24 months. If you click on that, you see this one. So let's take care of that. That's not good. Maybe a little bit getting frustrated with it, but I might as well just take care of it. That is it. That's just the solution. Copy that and just paste it in here. Copy, paste, and that's all there is to it. And that'll be all. So let's now save and show you guys the codes one more time. That is the clear, and take it from the top, variables right there, and come right down here. From here down here, that's where all of the calculation take place, and that's this button there. Let's repeating it again. Okay, come right down there. Those are all the codes. And that is all there is to it. So compile and run already. So let's run it. So enter that in there. Okay, and the rate 8% months, let's say 60 months. Loan calculate, and that is it, guys. So with that, I'll just call it the end of this tutorial. I suppose you all enjoyed. So you all have a nice day now.